Data consolidation is a technique used to combine information from different sheets into a single sheet, making it easier to analyze and manage data. In today's video, we will see how can we efficiently merge data from various sources into a unified view, enhancing data organization and productivity. And this will be fully dynamic or automated. Today, we will see 3 examples of data consolidation in Excel. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. Over here, I have got holidays list of 4 regions: East, West, North and South. And I want consolidated holiday list over here. To consolidate this, we are going to use VSTACK. I'll click just under region and will put my formula. The formula will be plus or equal to VSTACK bracket open array, means we have to provide the data. So our array1 will be holiday list of East. I'll select this and I'll select few extra rows, comma, array2. Array2 is holiday list of West, comma, array3. Array3 is holiday list of North, comma, array4. So array4 is holiday list of South. I have selected few rows extra. In case my holidays list increase in future, I'll not have to change the range in the formula. Now I'll close the bracket and will hit enter. So my holiday list got consolidated. But over here I can see some zeros. To avoid these zeros, I'll go to first cell where I have inserted my formula. You'll notice one thing. The active formula is sitting in the first cell. In rest of the cells, formula is visible but it's not active. If I'll delete anything from here, means from the center, my data is not going to be deleted. Means to edit anything or to delete anything, I'll have to click on the very first cell. Now I'll be going to formula bar and will insert the criteria of sort. S-O-R-T. Sort, bracket open, will come to the end, will close the bracket and will hit enter. And all the zeros got vanished. Or we can say it just came to the end. I'll come down and over here we can see all the zeros. Now I'll press on region, will press shift plus control and right arrow key. So all the headings got selected. Now I'll press down arrow key and will insert borders. So my holiday list got consolidated. I'll insert something in East. The last holiday of East is Christmas on 25th of December. I'll insert a new holiday over here. I'll type East 26th December and I'll type some imaginary holiday, happy day, and I'll hit enter. Once I have done the entry over here, means in the holiday list of East, it got automatically added in the consolidated list, happy day. So the question comes here, will the data be consolidated in the same sheet or we can do it in the next sheet also or different sheet also? Let's go to different sheet. This sheet is totally blank. I'll just copy the headings, Control C or Command C, and we'll go to a blank sheet. I'll paste the headings over here, Control V or Command V. I'll manage the column size. I'll go to View and will remove the grid lines. We'll manage the row size of headings and will insert my formula of VSTACK over here. Plus or equal to VSTACK, bracket open, array1. We'll go to my main data sheet and will select my array or data from here. Over here also we are going to select few extra rows, comma, array2. This is our array2, comma, array3. This is our array3, comma, array4. We will select this, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. In this sheet also we have got zeros. So we will go to the cell where our formula is active and will insert the criteria of sort. Sort, bracket open, will come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So all the zeros got vanished. We'll click on region, we'll press Control, Shift and right arrow key. Now I'll press down arrow key, we'll go to home and we'll insert borders. The format of date got changed. I'll click on top, we'll take this in center, we'll press Control 1. From here I'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll click on OK. And my holiday list got consolidated. To manage this, I'll delete extra columns and we'll delete extra rows. We'll take this closer and our list is ready now. Let's see another example. This is attendance sheet of 2024 and the attendance sheet is for 12 months, Jan, Feb, March, April and so on till December. And in the end I have got annual sheet. In annual sheet I want to consolidate all the presents, absent and leaves. The first way to do this is plus or equal to, go to January, then click on total present, plus go to February, click on total present, and in the same way we will have to add the data till December and it's going to take long time. So we are not going to do this. I'll press escape. I'll click over here just under present, means just in front of first employee, and we'll insert the function of sum plus or equal to sum bracket open. I'll go to January. We'll come to right hand side and we'll click on first employees present. Now I'll press shift and we'll click on sheet of December. Let's come to formula bar. Over here our data is from January to December and the cell number is AL7. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Now we can drag this down and we'll drag this till right. So my annual sheet of attendance got consolidated within seconds. Let's see third example. Over here I have got sales data of 4 quarters. Quarter 1, Quarter 2, Quarter 3 and Quarter 4. And I have to consolidate the data. I'll insert a new sheet. We will click anywhere inside our format. We'll go to data. In data we get the option of consolidate. I'll come to the center and over here just under data validation I have got the option of consolidate. I'll click over here. On the top we have got the option of function and just in front of function we have got sum. But we can see a drop down over here. So whatever your target is, you can select from the drop down. Right now my target is sum. So I'll click on sum. Just below this we have got the option of reference. I'll click on reference. We'll go to quarter 1 and we'll select my data from top. Means we are going to select the headings, items name as well as total. Just under reference we have got a box, select and over here minus and plus. So we will click on plus. And our reference means our first reference got visible over here in the box. Now we will go to second quarter. You'll notice one thing. The range which we have selected in quarter 1, the same range got selected automatically. Now we will click on plus. So we can see 2 references. Now we will go to quarter 3. We will click on plus. So 3 references are over here. Now it's time to go to quarter 4 and we'll click on plus. So all the 4 references are over here. Below this, we have got the option of create links to source data, top row and left column. So our top row is headings. So we want top row. I'll click on top row. Left column. Left column is item list. So I'll click on item list also, means I'll select left column. After that, create links to source data. In case we want to link the data from rest of the sheets, we will have to click over here. And in case we don't want to link, leave it unticked. So right now I want to link the data. So I'll click on create links to source data and we'll do OK. So all the data got consolidated. I'll leave it selected. We'll go to home and we'll insert borders. We'll select this and we'll take all the things in center. We'll select the whole sheet and we'll take all the things in mid. Now I'll increase the row size of the headings. We'll put some color over here. We will change the font color. We will change the color of total also. We'll change the font color. We'll increase the row size. We'll go to view and we'll remove the grid lines. You'll notice one thing. Before January, I have got 2 cells over here. So what are these 2 cells? I'll increase the column size and this column is looking blank. Let me increase the size. When we come to left hand side, we can see plus signs. I'll click on first plus sign and over here we can see data consolidation. Means this is consolidated data of charger on top and it's showing month wise. In the same way, when I'll click on second, we can see the consolidated data of Bluetooth speaker and this data is also month wise. In case you want to put the name, you can select this, means copy this and paste over here. Same thing for second item also, Ctrl+C or Command+C and paste over here. In case you don't want this column, just delete this and your data is not going to vanish. If you want, you can drag this up. You can do the same thing for rest of the items also. I'll click on minus and for second item also. So these are the 3 ways in which you can consolidate your data very easily. I'll provide link of practice file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.